we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a manual binocular effect. Here's my footage, and all that you need is a black image. You can create that yourself in GIMP or just Google for one. Drag it into your timeline, and in this case it's too small for my window, so I have to resize it. Just make sure that it covers the entire preview window, and then it's on top of the video all the time. Now make sure that this black element is selected, so it needs to be highlighted in the timeline right here. Left click on it if it isn't. Then go to video, and by the way I used the default layout. You will find mask and use circle. You need to invert it, and in CapCut this is called reverse. You'll find it up here. Left click on it. Then left click drag to resize it and reposition it. You may want to add a feather, but don't make it too harsh, because the feathering is generally very harsh in CapCut. You may want to go to 1, 2, maybe 3, but let me go to 10, and you can see that the borders completely vanish, so you can't identify this as a binocular anymore. So you may want to go to 1, 2, maybe 3. I'll go to 1 in this case. To add the second mask, we need to right click on our black element in the timeline and then create a compound clip. And now we can add a second mask to the same element. We have to reverse it yet again, reposition it, resize it, adjust the feather, just like the first one. And then it's all about finding a good sweet spot here, so that the end result is what you want it to be. So check the position, the feathering, and obviously you can adjust the duration right here via adjusting the general elements in the timeline. And the end result would, for example, look like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.